Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. It's the first match in our semi-finals and the scores are Jago High on 22 points, Old Harbour High on 13 points. Old Harbour lost a point there for the question. Mountainside St. Elizabeth is the birthplace of which former Jamaican politician and statesman? The wrong answer came first. Now let's get into our buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to get up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning this championship. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please. As the first question comes from Bible knowledge. According to the book of Esther, over how many provinces, St. Jago?
127.
127.
Yes, did King Ahasuerus reign? Biology, specifically where in the body is the metacarpo... St. Jago?
The palm. The palm.
The palm of the hand.
Do we accept? No. The metacarpophalangeal or MC joint, the junction between the hand and the fingers, or between the metacarpal bones and the proximal phalanges. English language, what is the demonstrative pronoun in this sentence? Because of the children's bad behavior and because they refused to apologize, none was given an allowance on Monday. None. International affairs, look at the clip, identify this person. St. Jago?
Mahmoud Abbas.
Mahmoud Abbas.
Correct. Chemistry, what is the name for the concentration of a solution expressed in moles per cubic Old Harbour?
Molar concentration.
Molar concentration.
No, we have molarity expressed in moles per cubic decimeter solution. Music, listen to the clip, give the title of the song. Old Harbour?
No man no cry.
No man cry.
Correct. General knowledge, what body of water separates France from England? Old Harbour.
The English Channel.
The English Channel.
Correct. Spanish, what is the English translation for La fiesta de cumpleaños es mañana? Old Harbour High.
Birthday party is tomorrow.
The birthday party is tomorrow.
Correct. Geography, what is the name for the movement of material along a coast by waves which approach at an angle to the shore but recede directly away from it? Longshore drift or beach drift. Theatre and cinema, look at the monitor, identify this person. Dorothy Dandridge. Information technology, what is the software application that runs automated tasks over the internet called? Bot or web robot. History, which treaty between the US and Cuba in 1903 sought to protect Cuba's independence from foreign intervention? The Platt Amendment. Mathematics, what is the value of 5 over 8 minus 1 over 6 as a fraction in its lowest terms? Old Harbour?
7 over 24. 7 over 24.
7 over 24.
Incorrect. 11 over 24. Physics. What is the name of the specific temperature at which certain magnetic materials, St. Jago?
Curie temperature.
Correct. Undergo a sharp change in their magnetic properties. Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Old Harbour High.
Raheem Sterling.
Raheem Sterling.
That's correct. Jamaican heritage. Which high school in Jamaica was formerly known as Bog? St. Jago?
Enid Bennett High School.
Enid Bennett High School.
Yes, Bogwalk High. And French. What is the French word for the screw? St. Jago High.
Leaxio.
No, la vis. Literature. Who said this about Jane Austen? Every time I read her, I want to dig her up and hit her over the skull with her own shin bone. Mark Twain. Art. Which artist created the 1868 work, The Luncheon? Old Harbour High.
Pierre August Renoir.
Incorrect. Claude Monet. And that's the bell. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of our first semi-final. And the scores at this time are St. Jago High on 26 points, Old Harbour High on 15 points. Here now is the answer to the Digicel viewers' question. The answer is Egypt. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.